And let's head back out onto the track now, where organizers of the 2026, let's say the top track and field athletes, are promising an action-packed event to include events not often contested throughout the season.
In the midst of the uncertainty surrounding the future of some development track and field meets due to the financial burden it puts on organizers, there are at least two disciplines that could suffer. Infrastructures often limit the participation of athletes in the steeplechase and pole vault events. It is a concern for the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, and Assistant Secretary Brian Smith believes it is important for meets to accommodate these events. For instance, a month into the track and field season, the Youngster Goldsmith meet, to be held this weekend at the National Stadium, will be the first event to include the steeplechase.
Yes, the steeplechase, the pole vault is very important to us, and the javelin, very important. I believe we can be world class in those events, but for the facilities is only at the National Stadium. So as soon as there's an event at the National Stadium, then it will be put in. And I know the other meets coming up too at the National Stadium. Yes, they will have those events in. So it is very important to us in the JH because we are developing. We have broken new grounds in our shot put discus, and the 800 meters is coming on nicely. So we are looking forward to having athletes in those events.
The SW Isaac Henry meet, to be held on February 21, is also expected to feature these events. In the meantime, Principal of St. Andrew Technical High School, Dr. Warrell Hibbert, is pleased with the growth of the Isaac Henry Invitational meet, which is entering its 10th staging.
10 years is a sign that it is growing, and 10 years is a sign that our school itself is enjoying the benefits of the growth. I'll give you an example. Just 4 years ago, we had a track team of about 20 students. 4 years later, we are probably at about 60 students now, and we have a plan that in 2 years' time we would like to see about 80 students, and of course our larger plan is 100 strong students 5 years from now. So we're on track and we're working together.
Meet manager Cosmo Stevens is also promising some key battles among the senior athletes for this year's staging.
We will see those intending to make the team to the World Indoors. They will be there. So there's the thing of, we can't call their names obviously because we're not the selectors, but athletes looking to compete at World Indoor, being that it's this year and in Poland, they would want to give themselves the best opportunity to be selected. So it would be very unlikely if we don't see the bigger names that are preparing for indoor championships turning up at our meet this year.
Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.